Hi everybody. We're doing the fourth in the Bloom series that I was doing. I decided to do some quick and easy paintings. So we are going to start off with Liquitex Quinacridone Magenta. I'm testing out a couple things here in this last series of 4 blooms. I'm looking for nice color combinations, and I'm looking for how much I'm trying to get my cells to cover more of the tile. So I'm experimenting with how much cell activator to use. And I wasn't doing that in the first 2 because I really didn't think about it at that point. But while I was doing the first, second, and third paintings, I thought to myself, my gosh, everybody else's cell activator covers, they get cells over their entire tile. So then I thought, I want that. So now this one, I'm going to use more cell activator. So much of this is just experimentation until you get what you like, and then you realize you forget it when you switch from technique to technique, and so you've lost it and you don't remember to do it. So you really have to make a I have it and I don't do it, but I don't read it all the time. For when I figure out a technique, I will write down exactly how I did it. And so I have this little sheet of paper with all these techniques on it. And I want to read them every time before I do the technique to remind myself of what I have to do. And I forget. So I'm going to get this time. This is an interference by this little Piggy. It's got a teal color in that white. All the interferences look the same, just like that. And until you really look close, and once you blow them out, you get to see that interference color cover that Prussian Blue that I put down underneath there. So when you're using interference colors, you want to put them on darker colors. They're really nice on a black or a dark, anything dark. So now, before I forget my little experiment here, I'm going to put a lot of cell activator on this time, blow more horizontally than down, and see, oh, now see, you could see that interference underneath this. Do you see the green, the teal popping up? That's the interference. So I'm going to try to do more of a horizontal swipe than a downward swipe, blow, I'm sorry. So here we go. And I will be, all right, let's turn that off. See, this is what I mean. I have a nice thin cell activator, and it did not move. Oh my gosh, the interference is gorgeous. It didn't move sideways as much as I wanted to. I did get out a little bit further. I've got cells out here. Whereas in the last one I did, the cells are concentrated like right here, but they are out a little bit further. So this is better. I think I'm not using enough cell activator. I'm going to try and get it to go outward a little bit. I really love the color combination here. And I know I always tell you, do not put a Piggy on the top underneath your cell activator, but I really like that interference on top of the Prussian Blue and with the cell activator on there, because you can really see that glisten. So we're gonna get some more cells there. It's coming back in. As it comes back in, it makes the little cells. So yeah, I think I kind of answered my own question. I am not using enough cell activator in the previous 3 coasters that I did. This is nice. I'm going to do some swirling on here because I'm worried about these colors that didn't go far enough. So let's just do some modification here. Just around the corners. They may totally fly off the side of the canvas, so we'll see. We may not even notice those. And I think they will. All right, let's spin. Wow, is this gorgeous? These colors are amazing. We need some more spinning. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Okay, so now I got the look I was looking for. I've got these cells almost covering the entire thing. If I would have used some more cell activator, I think I would have gotten, and a better blow, of course, but I'm still working on that. So I watch many artists' videos, and a lot of them will blow straight down first to get the cell activator to go out, and then they blow horizontally, and I tried that and it worked for me a couple times, but that's what I'm doing wrong. It's driving that cell activator down into the pillow, and then it doesn't want to go sideways. So I like the blow I did this time of just starting horizontally right from the get-go and forgetting that downward push to begin with. That does not work for me. Wow, I got paint all over the sides. This is perfect. I don't need to do any more to it. So I'm going to take you down. This was a success, this experiment. I learned exactly what the problem was. But I will show you from over here. Look at these colors and look at that interference teal on top of all of it. Do you see it? Do you see the glisten? I only used 2 pigments in this. The one was the light green key lime, which we've kind of lost, but it mixed with the darker blue and gave us that teal. And then the other pigment that I used was the interference Glisten from this little Piggy. And that is what is just glistening on top of all of this. And the magenta, that mixed with the blue over here and gave us some purple. This is a really pretty combination. I love it. So anyway, glad you were with me for that experiment. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up on the video. That helps me reach more people. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. All right. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.